Two Black Hawk helicopters were recorded escorting a UFO. Raw security camera footage of the two Black Hawks escorting a ticking glowing orb UFO. Recorded at 6:45 p.m. on Thursday, January 20, 2022. First, let's take a look at the footage. Let's take a look at zoomed in and slowed footage. As can be seen in the images, two military helicopters appear to be escorting or chasing a flying object of unknown origin. The UFO in question glows brightly and appears to be in the shape of an orb. It even looks like the light is so intense that it reflects off the houses just below. The mysterious video was analyzed by popular ufologist Scott C. Waring. Waring, who currently resides in Taiwan, suggested that the UFO sighting could be irrefutable proof of the alien presence on Earth. He also added that the U.S. military could be cooperating with an advanced alien species. What do you guys think? Tell us in the comments below.